Is there a video you want me to talk?
Yes,
sir,
every day.
as soon as you have a meeting, sir, we need to do so. Thank you very much. Sir, the Kenya committee Johnson.
Well, it's a continuation of yesterday's meeting, and just so that you don't ask me tomorrow, we're going to be meeting every day until the convention so that we put things together. And basically today we looked at the convention subcommittee, and we collected some reports from some of the committees, hoping that tomorrow we'll decide on next steps to take.
One of the major
Nothing much happened today.
One of the major things that will affect this convention, sir, is the zoning. And yesterday the committee submitted this report. Have you been able to discuss on this?
The report has been adopted, so it will be released to you any moment now. The zoning formula. Yeah, it will be released. Just wait, they will release it to you.
And how soon do we expect the next meeting? Because one of the reasons...
Hopefully next week. Yeah. In fact, next week.
Sir, is the secretary still part of the NWC?
Ask him.
Thanks for checking out SYMFONI on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.